Hey everyone, it's Brian. Welcome back to Trade Talk Tuesday Hot Seat Edition. As always, like, subscribe, get our free picks every single day. Click that like button and make some guy in marketing day when he counts more likes than normal. You know the drill. Let's get right into it. Bring in Karim. How you doing, my friend?
Good. How you doing, Brian?
Good. Important question for you. Do you think you're too high energy for the YouTube viewer?
I'm pretty high energy.
I know. I mean, like you threw that, you unbuttoned that last button there. You're gonna really spice this up today. I see how this is gonna go.
Oh boy, hold on a second. I can't be that high energy.
Last week we asked if we should do almost like a rapid fire episode, and overwhelmingly the responses are yes.
Is that an Izod shirt from like the 70s?
Yeah, you like that?
Oh geez, I thought it said Jordache on it for a second.
By the way, but you know, no big deal.
All right.
Okay. Can we get back into this now?
Okay.
Okay, good. All right, so let's get back into some of your responses about next week's episode, our rapid fire episode. So Tracy S, she says, yes, do rapid fire. It's entertaining and informative. Verna J, she says, newbie here, love the hot seat, learning a lot, love watching you guys. A Dixon says, rapid fire, yes, great fast learning data delivery, more EC. Rapid fire sounds great. And then Kate F, she says, had puts on Dash and they did quite well for me. So I had to sneak this one in because DoorDash was my most undervalued stock when I was on the hot seat. So Kate F is already ringing the register. Give Kate F the gold star of achievement for today. For her, thank you for the comment, Kate. And then there's some other random questions too. Ronald M says, would love a follow-up on your favorite methods to play the volatility on AMC and others. Ronald, we just did that last week. We covered meme stocks in our episode prior, so maybe you could pull that up. Check that one out for that question. And then Carly K says, I'm confused. Please explain the difference between Trade of the Day Plus, and your War Room. All right, Trade of the Day is our free email service, free pick from myself and Karim every single day. Trade of the Day Plus is our subscription, our premium service, where we give you our best pick every single Wednesday in a video form just like this. Really inexpensive, great way to get started with our live picks where we give you entry and exit advice. And then War Room, of course, is our real-time, high-end trading service. It's all real-time, buy this, sell this, all options, all different strategies. Great success rate, 80% win rate. So that's kind of like how that breaks down, Carly K. Hope that kind of clears that up for you.
Hey, now, Brian, you better check. I'm hearing a lawnmower sound in the back. Are you running a side business while you're doing that?
Yeah, the lawnmower guys are here, right?
Oh, okay. All right. Well, it must be Friday. Okay. All right.
Yeah, it's Friday, you know. So anyway, here we go for the hot seat questions for the day. Karim, let's start the clock. Here we go. All right. What's the biggest mistake that new traders make, and how do you correct it?
The biggest mistake is being impulsive, impatient, and not following instructions. Okay. What is that now? You got a dog out there too?
Yeah. Oh, hold on. Let me. Now the dogs are barking at the lawnmower guy.
Oh boy.
Hey, dog, shut up! Come here.
Well, you guys can tell this is live, and when things are live, stuff like this happens. So anyway, getting back to Brian's question, the biggest mistake is being impulsive. It's always exciting to get a new pick, and it's always exciting to go out there and buy it right away and put in a market order or pay the most money for it. It's wrong. Okay. The reason we put out limit orders, we do a lot of research on these picks. We pick certain levels. Brian uses charts. I use fundamentals. And there's a reason we use limit orders, because if you pay more than the limit order, we think you're overpaying. And the same thing is when you're trying to get out of something, don't take less. So try to be less impulsive, take a deep breath, think about it. In fact, do some research on the pick too. Okay, don't just take our word for it. Yeah, we do our research, but you should be doing research too. Just be less impulsive and use limit orders and follow directions, and you'll be fine.
Okay, so was that your answer?
What do you think it was?
Well, I mean, I had to go check on the dog. So
okay, yeah, that's my answer.
Okay, all right.
Hope you didn't kick the dog. Okay.
I put him in the back room just for now. Karim, that's thanks. Great for addressing those mistakes. I mean, I know I've made plenty of mistakes myself. One of my biggest mistakes is actually starting this YouTube channel. So thanks for addressing that. Thanks for helping out new traders. Let's get on to hot seat question number 2. Here we go. And this is on the mind of every YouTube viewer. So I just want to address it right off the bat here, just so there's no question in anyone's mind anymore. And the question is this: Karim, what are you doing to prepare yourself for Hot Girl Summer?
For hot what?
Hot Girl Summer.
Hot Girl Summer. I don't even know what that is. I'm married.
Okay, hold on. Let's put the definition from.
All right.
Well, let's Urban Dictionary. Let's pull the definition for that. So just so Karim knows, right?
Okay.
You're not a Megan Thee Stallion listener, apparently.
I do listen to Megan Thee Stallion and also what was the other one? Doja
Cat. Yes.
There you go.
All right. So basically, Hot Girl Summer is just everyone getting ready for a single fun summer, getting in shape, getting ready for a good time. What are you doing to prepare yourself for that?
Well, I just had a newborn who's 4 months old. So my summer is basically revolving around whatever he wants to do. And right now he's about to start teething. So that's about the extent of my excitement. So I'm hoping that we can get a couple of meetings away from home, that I can get on a plane, fly somewhere nice, somewhere cool, and hang out with you, Brian.
Awesome. I'm sure there's a lot of rap songs being written about spending their summer with a teething newborn. So I will wait for those to hit the charts. And in the meantime, that's it for our hot seat episode for today. Thanks for joining us. All right, so for next week's rapid fire episode, we're going to just pop off a bunch of questions. We're going to ping pong them back and forth. So if you have any questions, anything at all that you want us to address, whether it's trends, meme stocks, value stocks, overvalued, whatever, or even what you personally are doing for Hot Girl Summer, put them in the comment section below. We will try our very best to get to every one of your questions. It's going to be a great episode next week. Be sure to check it out. Until then, I'm Brian. That's Karim. Stop hating, start trading. And as always, cue my exit music.